judges? Alright, judges first. Well, we gotta start with the best judge.
It's honorable Judge Vernon Moorhead.
So oh my gosh.
Right?
He dressed for the part today. I love it.
So he's an actual chef too. So he has a very defined palate. So it's kind of a double whammy.
Literally, I've not stopped talking about your tacos. If you guys have not been to the Saguaro Hotel, La Senora, tacos freaking unbelievable. The drinks freaking unbelievable. And even better, 15% off when you mention me.
This is kind of we're dinner only BYOB. So you can bring your own booze. Dinner only restaurant, multi-course. It's we change the menu very often.
Don't let Chef Corey play this down. Chef Corey and his restaurant is probably one of the best restaurants in the valley. I'm telling you, right? And I'm not even stroking his ego. It's just that good.
Yeah, what, really?
Yeah, this isn't even like bromance. This is like straight up good food.
Thank you, Chef.
Okay, so how old are you? And so do you want to be a chef also? Yeah. So you help your dad a lot in the kitchen? Okay, but this is the big question. Do you like Brussels sprouts? Oh, so
What's happening, Josephine?
Hey,
all right. So where are you?
I'm a mixologist. Yep, I'm the beverage supervisor over at
Hotel Valley. Oh, we all know that. And it's right down the street.
right around the corner.
Yep. Awesome. So you've been here all around town.
Yep. I try to come out and support. It's a great event. It's a great series. It's for a good cause.
So y'all have to go to Valley Ho and he'll make you drink. Pepsino hot sauce.
Not only a great guy, but probably some of the best hot sauce. We have like
hot sauce.
Tonight is about the best of the best. We have the best hot sauce. We have some of the best chefs in the valley.
Are we picking with hot sauce tonight?
Yeah, there's some secret ingredients. We sprung a little spicy surprise at the last one.
Chef Ball, baby.
All
No,
right,
Chef, are you still from No, the Monarch. Yeah. Okay.
Cafe Monarch. Yeah. We got Max in the house. He works at a Thai restaurant at Osborne and 24th Street.
Libon.
And he is our mixologist.
Yeah, let's go.
I mean, I'm sure you're making some really good drinks. Not that you've made me anything.
Oh, I love it. Yeah, so here we're going to do some fun, and I got some really fun ingredients to play
Is
with.
that cactus?
No, this is a tropical fruit. Starfruit, baby. Starfruit.
It's a mix between an orange and an apple.
He is
Okay.
the vertically challenged.
Stand up front, and I'll stand back here.
All right, so where are you up here?
I own them.
Oh, what's your bar?
It's called the Woodshed. It's on Southwest Corner Mill and Baseline.
Oh, awesome.
Got a couple in my career.
Couple in your career.
Oddly enough, I can actually cook too.
Wow.
I'm gonna make some drinks, play with fire.
So maybe we go to Brandon's to get drunk, and then we go to Corey's to eat.
Randy Frisetto, my really good friend, he is a metal worker, and he made the prize for both the mixologist and the chef who win tonight. This is the final night, you guys. 8 weeks of painstakingly cooking and competing. It's for the chef, and that one is for the mixologist. So 2 lucky people are going to be taking home these.
Came out so good. I'm telling you, seeing him on Facebook Live is not doing him any justice. You have to see these things in person.
So, and you can go to Randy Frisetto's page on Instagram. It's Kratos Metal. He literally can make anything you want. Or if you're looking to do some metalworking, he makes beds, he makes mailboxes, he makes, literally, if you can think of it, he can make it. Be my lover, wanna be my lover. You wanna be my lover? I don't know if your wife would like that. She's standing right over there.